Hello, in front of me I've got ZTE Blade A71. In this video I'll show you all unlock methods. In the beginning, let's go to Settings, and now enter Security. Go to Screen Lock, Confirm, and as you can see right here we've got 5 types of screen locks: non-swipe, pattern, PIN and password. We are going to use each one of them to unlock the phone, and let's start with none. Now go to swipe, next PIN, then password, and in the end, pattern. Now we can go to fingerprint unlock, enter fingerprint management, and select register. Now simply tap on power button multiple times. Each time try to adjust the fingerprint position. Tap OK, and now you can unlock your phone using the fingerprint. In the end, let's select face recognition, accept, create now, and now scan your face in this area. Now my face is scanned, I can use it to unlock the phone. And that's basically it. If you find this video helpful, please leave like, comment and subscribe.